Hi, we're Car Microwave. This is our Tiny Desk submission video, and this is an original song called Jack Kerouac. Your car broke down somewhere south, so you know the place pretty well. There's nothing there but cotton fields and that old gas station smell. You're some kind of desert rat, Jack Kerouac, and I'm just ready to go. I could wax poetic with the best of them, but I'd rather just take it slow. Fill the car with gas, we'll drive around this railroad track. It can't last forever. Swing and then I'll go. It's been a while since I've seen snow. I'd rather it be now than never. You say you saw a white man, you might have down. He was something like 10 feet tall. You wish you'd turn your camera on, but you lost it in the thrill of it all. There's something about these starlit nights that makes me forget how to breathe. Anything could happen here, and I would still believe. Fill the car with gas, we drive around this railroad track. It can't last forever. One more swing and I'll go. It's been a while since I've seen snow. I'd rather it be now than never. You say it's not too difficult